How to add a watermark to a PDF file on iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you a really easy way to add text and image watermarks to PDFs on your iPhone for free. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. Now, to do this, we're going to be using a free tool called pdfgadget.com. Full disclosure, I created pdfgadget.com because I wanted to be able to recommend a tool that does not require you to upload your PDFs to a server. So all the tools on this website work directly in the browser on your device, your phone, computer, anything like that. Check the description. I'll have a direct link down there. But once you get to pdfgadget.com, simply select more tools, or you can scroll down and you just want to find and select Add Watermark. Once Add Watermark loads, simply select the little click to browse window right here. Find the PDF that you want to add a watermark to. It'll load the PDF. And as you can see, we got a preview right there. And if I scroll down, we have some options for that actual watermark. So first at the top, you can select either text or image. If you do image, you'll need to select that image, so it needs to be on your phone as well. I'm just going to do a text. You can change the text here. And as you can see, that will be reflected in the watermark above. I can also view the next page if I want to see what it looks like on the other page. Additionally, we can change the size of the font. We could change the color if we want the font bold or not bold, the transparency, rotation. We want to change that. As you can see, changes. And then we can change the position. You can also do tiled if you want to. Once you're ready, select Add Watermark. It's going to process and then select Download PDF. Now on your iPhone, what it's going to do is going to first show you this preview, but it has not saved it yet. So what we need to do to save it is select the share button at the bottom, then scroll down and you just need to select Save to Files. You can give it a name and then select Save. So now when I open up the Downloads folder on my iPhone, I could see the PDF that we added a watermark to right there. And you can see the watermark looks exactly as it did in the preview. So that's how you add a watermark to a PDF for free on an iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.